So for those looking for more security, let's introduce the two-factor identification feature. This will allow you to better secure your login and withdrawals. So head over to tradetaurex.com and log into your profile. Now when you're logged into your profile, I want you to click on My Profile on this left-hand side here. And at the bottom, click Multi-Factor Authentication. So we've got the Authenticator selected. Now what you have to do before you do anything is you have to validate the OTP first. So if you go and download the Authenticator app on your Google or your App Store, and you scan this QR code. So I'm showing you a print screen now of me doing that. Once you scan it, you need to type in the code that pops up and click Validate. Now it says set here. Once that means basically it's been validated, and that means now you can actually turn it on for your login or for your withdrawals. So you can do it for all of them, or you can do it for one at a time. So let's say, for example, we clicked here and enable all and clicked yes, or you can turn them all off, or you can do it for just one at a time. So if I click enable all and click save changes, it's asking me again for another code. So go back to the app and type in the code and click validate. Now you can see it's enabled for all of the login and for the withdrawals, and you can turn them off and on if you like. Just make sure you click save changes each time. So if we log out and we go to log back in, it's going to give us this time an option to put in our OTP code. So we go back to the app and put that OTP code in. And you have the option here to remember this device. So if it's a device that you trust and you're working on all the time, you can click that and it means you don't have to repeat this step. And then if you wanted to check it for withdrawals, click on My Wallet. Go down to withdrawals. So you specify the amount that you wish to withdraw. And you can see here again, it comes up with an OTP code, so you'd submit that into there and then click submit request. Now if you don't actually want this feature anymore, you go back to your profile, multi-factor authentication, and you can basically select the one that you do or don't want. So let's say, for example, I didn't want it for withdrawals anymore. Click that, click save changes, and that's how it works. But you would always need to validate that decision with an OTP code again. And that's how you set up the two-factor identification feature.